Hello everyone, welcome back to The Hustlers. This is Deepak Singh and we are back again with another cool and fresh episode of Chit Chat with The Hustlers. We all know that building our self-brand is super important because every individual is not known for who they are but what they do. So to enlighten us on this, we have today soft skill trainer and founder of Sunflower Community, Miss Anmol Sehgal. Anmol ma'am has been working in Sunflower community to gear up students to gain confidence and express themselves, to come out of their shell and interact freely with people. So we'll get into the video and talk to her about self-branding and soft skill development and how to gain confidence to express ourselves. So stay tuned and you'll enjoy the video. So let's get started.
सो हाय अनमोल मैम, नाइस टू हैव यू ऑन द चिट चैट विद हसलर्स। ये जो सेशन होने वाला है पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग पे है। तो मैम, पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग से लेकर मेरा एक पर्सनल ओपिनियन है कि हम गूगल को एज अ ब्रांड जानते हैं, राइट? हम यूट्यूब जानते हैं, यूट्यूब पे आप ये सेशन पूरा वॉच कर रहे हो। इसके अलावा अगर हम पर्सनल लेवल पे बात करें तो हम सुंदर पिचाई का नाम जानते हैं, और मैं कितने सारे लोगों के नाम ले सकता हूँ जो एक लेवल पे हैं, एक पोजीशन पे हैं पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग के तौर पे, ठीक है? तो मैम, सबसे पहले तो आप हमारे सारे व्यूअर्स को बता दो कि पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग क्या होती है एंड हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज। पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है एक इंडिविजुअल पर्सपेक्टिव के व्यू से।
पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो अभी आप बहुत बड़े बड़े सेलिब्रिटीज़ के नाम जानते हैं, पीपल इन डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज डूइंग वेरी वेल, दे आर वेल नोन, बट दे क्रिएट दैट ब्रांड फॉर देमसेल्व्स along the way. टाइम लगता है पर्सनल ब्रांड बिल्ड करने का। तो what happens is personal branding is positioning yourself in the mind of other people. तुमने अपने लिए एक जगह क्रिएट कर ली है दूसरों के माइंड में to be competent in a certain field. You are really good at a certain task that you do. So you have to decide what your brand communicates. So for example, if you think about romance, the king of romance, you think of Shah Rukh Khan, right? Because he does so many roles of that sort that people, they associate romance with him. If you think about dancing, you think about Michael Jackson, right? So these people are really good at that one particular thing and they've decided what that one particular thing is. So creating a name for yourself, creating a reputation around your name. अभी आपने सुंदर पिचाई बोला, right? Everyone, so they've created a big reputation. You listen to their name and you're reminded of something, and that one thing is what they're really good at. So that is what the process of personal branding is, and the sooner you start doing it, अभी people around you, तुम्हारे जो colleagues हैं या जो तुम्हारे friends हैं, उनको पहले पता होना चाहिए कि तुम किस चीज में अच्छे हो। तो एटलीस्ट उनसे तो स्टार्ट कर लो कम्युनिकेट करना। उनको जब आप बोलोगे कि दिस इज, यू विल टेल देम, यू विल शोकेस योर टैलेंट इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम, देन दे विल रेफर यू टू अदर पीपल, दे विल टॉक अबाउट यू इन फ्रंट ऑफ अदर पीपल, सो अदर पीपल विल गेट टू नो, देयर फ्रेंड्स विल गेट टू नो, देयर नेटवर्क विल गेट टू नो, एंड धीरे धीरे करके आपका बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सनल ब्रांड बिल्ड हो जाएगा। सो इट स्टार्ट्स विथ यू टेकिंग द एफर्ट राइट नाउ।
राइट मैम। सो आई फील काफ़ी अच्छा आंसर दिया मैम आपने इसका। सो नेक्स्ट थिंग इज़ कि जब भी हम पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग की बात करते हैं तो वी टॉक अबाउट स्किल्स। अगर आपके पास स्किल्स हैं देन यू विल फॉर्म योर पर्सनल ब्रांड बाय सेलिंग दो स्किल्स, राइट, इन द मार्केट। सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक मैम कि एक जो इंडिविजुअल है वो अपनी स्किल को बेच के अपनी पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग कर सकता है या फिर किसी और की स्किल के द्वारा अपनी पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग कर सकता है, या फिर कौन सा बेटर है इनमें से?
तो ये दो अलग चीजें हो गई। इफ सो पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग इज टेलिंग पीपल अबाउट हु यू आर एंड व्हाट यू कैन डू, व्हाट प्रॉब्लम यू कैन सॉल्व। सो highlighting that, what is branding? Forget about personal, forget about individual branding, think about branding. Branding comes under marketing, right? It is creating that recall value, it is creating that position for yourself, for the product that you're selling, right? That is branding, creating an impact or an impression on other people. So branding is giving people information about what you can do. Marketing क्या होता है? Making people aware. सेलिंग होता है एक्चुअल ट्रांजैक्शन जब होता है और पैसे एक्सचेंज होते हैं और प्रोडक्ट एक्सचेंज होता है, दैट इज सेलिंग, दैट इज सेल्स। मार्केटिंग क्या होता है? सबको बताना कि ये है प्रोडक्ट, ये फीचर्स है इसके, एडवांटेजेस ये है, बेनिफिट्स ये है। तो ब्रांडिंग कम्स अंडर मार्केटिंग, सो टेलिंग पीपल व्हाट यू कैन डू, व्हाट यू आर रियली गुड एट, व्हाट प्रॉब्लम। सो अल्टीमेटली स्कूल से जो हम लोग सीखते हैं, कॉलेज में भी जो सीख रहे हैं, all of that skills, all of that knowledge we're acquiring to solve problems. So talking about what problem you can solve best is what branding is. Now, if you talk about managers who are really good managers, that is what they're good at. They're good at managing people. So their personal brand is about being good at managing people. So everyone is talking about their individual qualities when they're highlighting their personal brand. People will be known for what they do best. That will be their brand.
Right.
Okay, so Anmol Didi, like my question to you is, कि in a team like various people are working under different domains, and the full teamwork helps the team or that particular group to grow. बट होता क्या है कि एक टीम में जो लीडर होता है या जो लाइक अगर एक कंपनी की बात करूँ, द फाउंडर, को-फाउंडर, CEO get all the fame and the people working in the back end, उनको लाइक उतना फेम नहीं मिलता है, उनको कोई उतना जानता भी नहीं। लाइक डिजाइनर्स हैं, वीडियो एडिटर्स हैं, मैनेजर्स हैं, लाइक मैक्सिमम वर्कलोड उन पर ही होता है, पर जो नाम है, फेम है, वो उस पर्सन की बनती है जो उस टीम को लीड कर रहा है। सो हाउ कैन इट हैपन कि जो लाइक बैकएंड में लोग काम कर रहे हैं वो भी अपना एक ब्रांड बिल्ड कर पाए, टीम को अपना वर्थ शो कर पाए, कि वो बैकएंड से ही अपनी एक personal brand बना रहे हैं? Like how can it happen?
Okay, so when people think about personal brand, they think about fame, they think about who is getting maximum recognition. Now in the age of internet, all of us have the same platform. There is one equal level platform for every single person. If you decide to get on top of the platform and talk about yourself, then only people will get to know who you are and what you're doing. Personal brand is not just about who gets recognized in the media. It's also about people knowing that you're very competent. People around you knowing that you're very competent. So right now, पहले क्या होता था जब इंटरनेट नहीं था, तब तुम कौन सी कंपनी में काम कर रहे हो mattered a lot. If you're working for a very reputed organization, if you're working for a big Tata or Birla or a very big name, that was something that would be considered success. This person is very successful, but because this person is working in this team, right? But now it's not about that. Now every individual is working on a career, and their career is their company. If you treat your career as you treat yourself as an individual, and you treat your career as a mission, then you have to work upon highlighting what you're doing, what you're contributing in the company that you're working in, what your vision is, what you want to achieve. So it's about you personally doing what you are doing right now and you being able to communicate that to the world. So internet pe agar aap LinkedIn use kar rahe ho, since we're talking about work, since we're talking about a professional scenario, you can talk about your interests. You can talk about a particular field that you have knowledge about, your area of expertise. So you can be adding value to other people by writing articles, by making video content, sharing all of this. So for example, if you're really good at video editing and you make videos about how to edit videos, then even though you're working in a ad agency, people will know who you are because so many people have seen your videos on video editing. So you will not be known, you will not be hidden behind the name of the ad agency. You yourself will be making a name for yourself. So other people who are just starting out, who want to learn video editing, will be seeing your videos on YouTube, on LinkedIn. People would be reaching out and asking you, I am working with this other ad agency and I see you make these videos or you edit videos so well. Do you want to do a freelance project with us? People will come to you, sir, मुझे सिखा दो video editing, आप इतना अच्छा कर लेते हो. I will pay you some money, teach me. Right? So the opportunities are endless. it's not about your team anymore. All individuals in the team have equal chance of creating a name for themselves. They just need to take those steps to get on stage.
Like
Right.
इसमें अगर मैं ऐड करूँ फेलियर के बारे में, like अगर हम सोशल मीडिया ब्रांडिंग की बात करें कि हम every person who is creating content on social media, like audience retention is very less in initial days. Efforts बहुत लगते हैं but response बहुत कम मिलता है, तो ये चीज ऑब्वियस सी बात है डिमोटिवेटिंग होती है फॉर एवरी इंडिविजुअल, एंड वो इसलिए इस चीज को कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाते हैं एक लॉन्ग रन में. तो लाइक इन चीजों को कैसे हम टैकल कर सकते हैं?
तो मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बताती हूँ. गेटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ कैमरा एंड रिकॉर्डिंग योरसेल्फ इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. अभी मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, इजी हो रहा है. यू आस्किंग मी क्वेश्चंस, आई एम गिविंग यू आंसर. द कन्वर्सेशन इज फ्लोइंग वेरी एफर्टलेसली. बट व्हेन आई हैव टू रिकॉर्ड अ वीडियो, पुट अ कैमरा देयर एंड रिकॉर्ड, राइट, दैट इज मच मोर डिफिकल्ट. सो पहले वो ही इतना डिफिकल्ट होता है कि लोगों को बनाने में मन नहीं करता है, बहुत ज़्यादा ही एफर्ट लगता है, और जब रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिले तो डीमोटिवेटिंग लगता है. बट द ब्यूटी ऑफ सोशल मीडिया राइट नाउ इज देयर आर मोर देन वन प्लेटफॉर्म. देयर आर सो मेनी डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स. यू हैव Instagram, of course, Reels, you have Facebook, you have Twitter, you have LinkedIn. Now, my videos were not getting a lot of response. My friends were liking it on Instagram, but that is it. I started uploading the same videos on LinkedIn. Every time I've uploaded a video, I've gotten either great compliments, great response, and I've gotten work every single time. Do this session with us, do that session with us. Every single time I've done something, I've gotten a good response. So you need to know which platform is working for you as well. एक platform में नहीं मिलेगा, and people, especially those people who are very serious about their work, very serious about building a personal brand, very serious about learning more, very proactive in becoming successful, they will respond to you on LinkedIn. So if it's not working on Instagram, it will work on LinkedIn. If it's not working on LinkedIn, if your content is very entertainment kind of a content, it will work on Instagram. Facebook, people don't use usually these days, but then that is also a platform where a lot of selling is happening now. It's become a marketplace. So that is also a place where if you're trying to sell something, you should use Facebook very aggressively. So Twitter, right? You never know what works for you. Maybe you are really witty at writing really short statements which are very impactful. So you need to decide and you need to see which kind of content you can create, which is something that you're having fun with, and what is getting maximum response.
So related to that, if we are working in a team, so some conflict arises in mind related to some work or communication नहीं हो पाती, जो हम काम कर रहे हैं उससे हमें फेम नहीं मिल रहा है. सो इस टाइप की जो सिचुएशन अराइज होती है माइंड में ड्यू टू मिसकम्युनिकेशन और मिस हैपनिंग, हाउ कैन बी टैकल आउट इन सच टाइप ऑफ सिचुएशन?
हाँ, so you're not being recognized for your work, so you're putting in a lot of hard work, and maybe your superiors are not recognizing it. So that is one person who's not recognizing it. On internet, people, you can share your knowledge with people, you can engage with people on Quora, you can engage with people on Medium, you can engage with people on LinkedIn, so you can get recognition elsewhere. And I mean, a lot of times, because there's so much pressure on the bosses as well, so you are expected to do something, you are supposed to do that task, and there's a lot of pressure on them as well, so they do not get the time to appreciate your work and recognize you for your work, because they are also under so much pressure. So you need to realize that might be the case, and you can share your knowledge elsewhere and get recognition elsewhere. So focusing on creating a personal brand will not only give you recognition, it will give you more opportunities. So maybe in one particular team or one particular job, you're not being recognized. You'll have 10 people wanting to work with you. बाहर से लोग आ जाएंगे कि उपेंद्र चलो हमारे साथ काम करो, join our team, there is an opening in our organization, why don't you apply for it? So maybe you get to work with someone who really appreciates you and your talent. So personal brand create करने का सबसे बड़ा advantage is people get to know what you're really good at and they want to work with you. You get a lot of opportunities. So even if you're not behind fame, if you're someone who doesn't want to be famous but wants to work, wants to get good quality work and be able to prove your skills, that is also something that you will get when you create a personal brand. Until and unless people know that this is something that you can do, they will not reach out to you.
Right, ma'am.
Most of the viewers know that we is organizing a community that is Sunflower Community. So can you please elaborate about that? What is Sunflower Community? How it helps in personal branding and self-recognition?
Alright, so Sunflower Community is a community that I created because I was extremely shy when I was in school and college, and I've realized that if you want to get better at communication, you need to practice it again and again. You need to put yourself in a little uncomfortable situation, and you need to get over that hesitance that you feel while talking to new people. So Sunflower community is this peer learning platform and a support system where people meet every Saturday and we discuss a topic. Now this topic is not very controversial. It's not something that you need to prepare a lot for or you need to know a lot for. It's about basic human behavior. We talk about success, we talk about failure, we talk about nightmares, dreams, movies, different things that are very common between most people, and people share their stories and their experiences. So the more you talk in a group, the more you get used to being part in a group discussions, the more confident you will get. So when you are to be a part of a group discussion in your school or college, or for example you applied for a job and that also requires a group discussion, you will not feel very fearful. So this is to become more confident, to find your voice so that you can use your voice to get what you want and you can use it to solve problems. So that is what the Sunflower community is. To open up, and in that community people share what they're doing, they share their projects as well. So if you've written an article, you can share it on the community group so that other people get to read it. So you get to showcase yourself there as well. So this initiative is for confidence building primarily.
Right, ma'am. It's a very nice initiative, right? Or if the viewer wanted to join, like किसी को अगर join करनी हो Sunflower community, so how can a person join that community?
So you can reach out to me directly on Instagram. You can reach me on LinkedIn. I will share a link with you. Just join the WhatsApp group. And we're active on LinkedIn and we're active on Instagram. These are the two platforms. So you can reach out to me. You can reach out to me on the Sunflower community page as well. So there are two pages created: Sunflower community on Instagram and Sunflower community on LinkedIn.
Okay, ma'am. Nice. So, ma'am, after that, I wanted to ask, what are the key pillars? If we talk about in professional life, so how can we build a better relationships in our professional life?
So professional relationships are very important because you're spending a lot of time with the people that you're working with, more than your family, more than your loved ones. Those people are your family. Those people are the people that you're spending maximum time with. So you need to build that trust. You need to understand what the different working styles are. So if you're someone who's very focused on getting tasks done on time, and you're working with someone who's very particular about details, your working styles are different, right? One is a perfectionist, one is punctual and on time with great time management skills. How these two people can work together? There are conflicts which are bound to happen. Conflict management is something that all of us should know how to do. We should be more empathetic with the people that we work with. We should be very transparent as well. We need to understand, where that other person is coming from and why that other person is placing value in something that we are not, right? So it's the way you maintain your relationships in your personal life. You should maintain the same kind of relationships in your professional life. because you need to work together in harmony, in sync, so that you are productive as a team and you're able to accomplish the task that is given to you to do. Conflict resolution would be one. Cooperation, trust, all of that, transparency would be another. Motivation is the biggest thing when it comes to team management. So how to motivate every single member that you're working with. So understand what is the thing that drives them. If you're working with someone and both of you need to work together, you need to understand why is this person doing this task and what will it take to keep this person driven, so that both of you are able to complete the task in the given time and come up with a good quality product or a good quality outcome.
So I guess viewers को काफ़ी अच्छी knowledge मिली होगी. इसके बाद मैम लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि एज एन इंडिविजुअल जब भी हम एक पर्सनल ब्रांड बिल्ड करते हैं तो वो काफ़ी टाइम लेता है. पर्सनल ब्रांड बिल्ड करना इज़ नॉट दैट ईजी, राइट? हमें उस जर्नी के दौरान काफ़ी सारी फेलियर्स भी मिल सकती हैं. सो व्हाट आर द एडवाइजेस यू विल गिव टू एन इंडिविजुअल जो चाहता है कि उसके पास स्किल हैं बट ही और शी वांटेड टू बिल्ड अप हिज और हर पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग? सो व्हाट आर द एडवाइस यू कैन गिव टू दैम?
See, if you're not getting the kind of response that you want, try out new things. Try writing blogs, try writing articles, try posting things on Quora and Medium. Try making videos. If you are just writing and you're not getting a lot of response, videos right now are the best way to market yourself, because people get to see how you speak, your communication skills, the way you look. Why is video very important? Because body language is something which works best, which is the loudest in communication. So all of the different elements of non-verbal communication are visible on video. So if you want to reach out to more people, video making is something that you should look at. But if that's something that you really don't want to do, that is also fine, right? There are a lot of people who write really well and are known for that. So you need to first recognize what works for you. What are you enjoying yourself doing, right? So people try to take up very difficult things, and when those things don't work out, they feel very demotivated. I say try with something easy. Start with something that you are good at and build upon it. So always first step would be to recognize what you are good at and think about what you want your name to be synonymous to. So we spoke about dance, we spoke about romance. I want my name to be synonymous to motivation. I want my name to be synonymous to soft skills. So I am working towards that. I only talk about how I'm a soft skills trainer, how I'm a motivator, and I talk about various different skills and what is the importance of soft skills. So you need to first decide what you want your name to be synonymous to. Then you have to decide what type of content you want to create. Then you have to decide which platform would be best for you.
Okay, ma'am. I think आपने काफ़ी सारी informations दी है हमारे viewers को, and most of us will feel कि like अगर आपको मैम से connect होना है, then I'll post the LinkedIn मैम का in the description box. इसके अलावा सनफ्लावर कम्युनिटी को ज्वाइन करो अगर आपको हेजिटेशन है बोलने में या फिर पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स में, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बिकॉज काफ़ी टाइम ऐसा देखा गया है कि हम लोग टेक्निकल स्किल्स को एक्वायर कर लेते हैं, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द सॉफ्ट स्किल्स वी लैग मोस्ट ऑफ द इंटरव्यूज एंड रिज्यूमेज, और काफ़ी जगह पे हमें जो है दिक्कत आती है बिकॉज ऑफ लैगिंग इन सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, या फिर पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग कह लो या फिर पब्लिक स्पीकिंग कह लो. सो जॉइन द सनफ्लावर कम्युनिटी एज सून एज पॉसिबल. मैं लिंक सारे डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा. एट लास्ट मैम मैं आपको थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा फॉर कमिंग टू दिस सेशन. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस सेशन. काफ़ी सारे व्यूअर्स को अगर आपने यहाँ तक देखा है तो प्लीज़ हिट अ लाइक एंड कमेंट डाउन बिलो कि आपको कौन सा पार्ट सबसे अच्छा लगा. अगर आपके कोई क्वेश्चंस हैं तो आप लिंक्डइन पे मैम को पूछ सकते हो, कमेंट में पूछ सकते हो. ओके, सो एट लास्ट थैंक यू फ्रॉम द टीम हसलर्स मैम. It's nice interacting with you.
It was a pleasure. मुझे बहुत मजा आया. And this was really chill. I loved talking about personal branding, and I hope all the viewers have found some value in today's discussion. And yeah, you guys are doing an amazing job. Keep it up. Call more people and spread more information and knowledge like you are. So all the very best to all of you.
So thank you everyone for seeing this video. At last, I wanted to say, keep hustling, keep learning. Bye.
Lit. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to the